There are a number of questions to address in the industry. First of all, it's the welder shortage. It's definitely going to be a problem, and we know for 2050 it will be a huge problem in the industry. So we need to find some solutions to involve new persons in welding industry or to upgrade those already dedicated to work with welding. I think there's a huge potential for upgrading young people or existing welders, because many of them find it very interesting to work together with robots and perhaps especially together with collaborative robots. So actually at Smooth Robotics we have the payoff connect your craft to the machine, meaning that we make it extremely simple to take all the knowledge and all the experience from the welder and put it into the robot, connect it with the robot. And I think for many people it will be extremely interesting to work with collaborative welding in the future. So it's all about upgrading and motivation for young people and for existing welders to be involved in that part.